Everyone's done here in Hope Bay, and they're starting to load up the submersible and all of the zodiacs. We'll be leaving Hope Bay toward Brown Bluff, and in the meantime we're going to get some lunch and enjoy the views on our way to our next destination, where we'll make a zodiac landing.
Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right? Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control.